Hi guys, today in this video we're gonna see how to use the Gillette Venus Razor. It is priced at rupees 150. This is the Gillette Venus Skin Love Razor and this is the outer packaging. It has details like how to use, the manufacturing details, MRP and all of that sort. I have also done a video on the Simply Venus Razor, link is down in the description box. Let's cut open this. These are the contents: the razor with a centered handle and a protective cap. It is beautiful in teal color. The handle has a silicone grip and it smells like a perfume. When you open the cap, you can see the blades. It has 3 blades. The handle has a thumb grip which protects the skin from cuts. This is how my hand looks. I have quite a lot of hair growth. The instruction says to apply water and soap. So I am spraying some water followed by a shower gel. Now glide the razor against the direction of hair growth. This is the amount of air it has removed. Let's repeat the same thing for my other hand. Thumb grip handle is convenient to use and also prevents from accidental cuts. As you can see, it did not cut my skin even though the razor glides in the wrong way. Once done, wash the razor under running tap water. Wash hands and pat dry. Instantly my hands felt super soft and super smooth. As per the directions said, apply your favorite moisturizer. That's it guys, this is how you use the Venus Skin Love Razor.
Until then I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me Niti signing off. Bye bye, take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.